I have paused the packing situation because I am starving. And so here we are. I'm just gonna make me some tuna with egg. I love eating this in the morning. Sorry, I have a toddler in the back. I'm not doing a grocery shopping this week because we are gonna drop off our camper at the Blue Compass to get our camper diagnosed if there's anything wrong with it. We have a little bit of concern with the toilet in the other bedroom because it don't flush good, because that one is not pedal. It has like a button where I'll show you in a bit. It has like a button where you just press it. It does its own thing, but I like the pedal better. I just like the pedal better. Okay, I'm just gonna start cooking and then I'll see you in a bit because I need to focus on this so I can eat. Okay, so I think I turned this off. Close it. Good. Ooh, that's actually close. Okay, so I swap this to the other side. And then I open it. Okay, I think that's good. Do I close the other one? Maybe I'll just leave it like that. It's so windy outside. I had to rush back inside. All right, I now have my propane again. The last egg. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? I was not prepared for that. There you go. It's windy and cold, so I got it on. I'm all bundled up. Let's eat. Bon appetit. My Christmas present is here. Honey came in for lunch and I've been wanting one of these, but I just didn't buy me one because I don't have the money for it to spend. And you know what? I was actually this close to buying a cheap hair dryer today because my other one, I have to force it to blow air on it because it's that bad. Like it's probably just like 10 bucks kind of hair dryer, and I mean it works still, but this, oh my god, thank you so much, honey. And then when you open it, oh my gosh, it's kind of like a burnt orange color. I love it. I love it so much. It's got that, what is this? I don't know. I still need to read all the instructions and whatnots. But here's that, and then here's that as well. I'm so excited to use this. Everything is pretty much saved up. Got our mat right here, shoe rack, and then I zip tied the cabinets. That one's fine right there, nothing very important. Zip tied the fridge, hooked up the TV, zip tied that, so is that. And then right here I got, make sure everything's, you know, good under. Oh, I actually have one thing to get off. That one right there, and then maybe like it up like that. Nothing's blocking the slide. That's fine. Bathroom check. Everything's in there. oxygen. Hi guys, we are on the road. It's pretty chilly today. It's actually 40 degrees where we're at right now, but we are headed to Fort Worth to drop off our camper, get it maintenance, diagnose and maintenance, and whatever they need to do with it. Check if there's something wrong with our camper, and then we'll leave it there. We're gonna go to Louisiana, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you when we get there.